This is the 2024 Audi RS Q8, one of the most powerful SUVs Audi has ever created. At first glance, it looks like a luxury SUV, but the details tell a different story. These large black alloy wheels with Michelin performance tire and massive red RS brakes caliper reveals that this SUV was built for much more than just comfort. Every part of the RS Q8 has been designed with performance in mind, from its aggressive front design to its wide stance on the road. Under the hood is where RS Q8 becomes special. Power comes from the Audi 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing around 600 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque. This is the same engine family found in some of the Audi IS performance models, giving this large SUV the heart of a sports car. Right, the RS Q8 combines luxury technology with a driver-focused cockpit, but the real experience begins when you press the start button. Even in normal driving mode, the V8 immediately reminds you that this is not an ordinary SUV. Driving through China's highway, the RS Q8 shows his dual personality in comfort mode as well as the sport mode. It behaves like a premium luxury SUV. The suspension is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and long distance driving feel effortless. But underneath, the comfort is a completely different machine. The combination of the twin turbo V8 engine and the Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system gives the RS Q8 incredible confidence on the road. With approximately 600 horsepower, available acceleration is far beyond what most people expect from a vehicle of this size. Audi has also equipped the RS Q8 with advanced technology, including the virtual cockpit, digital display, premium materials, and multiple driving modes. With the push of a button, the personality of this SUV changes.
Out of all the countless roads that I could choose, thank the stars I chose the one that led to you. Bring the unexplored, the reckless and the new, 'cause nothing scares me anymore. How the sun lights up the moon, wax or wane, I know I'll see you soon. Ooh, I do. Ooh, tonight I fly away with you and leave the land behind me. Our eyes illuminated by the silver lining. Two hearts, one sky, to the morning light. This is the dawn of our life. Life may bring us harder puzzles to resolve. Spinning, twisting, we'll be shining through it all. A warmer summer brings us brighter leaves and fall. My future's never looked so bright. How the sun lights up the moon, wax or wane, I know I'll see you soon. Ooh, I do. Ooh, tonight I fly away with you and leave the land behind me. Our eyes illuminated by the silver
Switching between the driving mode completely changes the character of RS Q8. Comfort mode makes it a relaxing luxury SUV while dynamic mode transforms into something much more aggressive. After spending time behind the wheel, the Audi RS Q8 proves that the performance SUV are no longer just practical vehicles. They can deliver luxury everyday usability, genuine sport car excitement in one package. The 2024 Audi RS Q8. It represents the perfect balance between two worlds, the comfort of a premium SUV and the excitement of a V8 performance machine. If you enjoyed this car pursuit review and drive, make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, and tell me which car you want to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next drive.